curator here at AMA in Albany, Georgia. We're opening a series of new exhibits. This one I'm going to tell you about is by Courtney McClellan. She is an Atlanta-based artist, and her title of the exhibit is Midlands. This is an exploration in the theatricality and performative space of a courtroom setting. She worked with the University of Georgia in the sculpture area at UGA Dodd School to examine how mock trials are held in this type of environment, looking at how our justice system is identified and propelled into this type of physical setting, not just the actual space of a courtroom, but the fictional setting, which is a state called Midlands. This is a fictional land in which students, budding attorneys, defense and prosecution, trial out different issues of the law. So the show has several photographs of interior courtroom areas, as well as a 3-monitor video exploration into the idea of Midlands.